Alright, got an update on my wagon. I got the new turn signals. Brand new. Actually, I'm turning the headlight so that we can see the LEDs. There you go, my LED headlights. There you go, my lights working. I just replaced the tailgate, and also replaced the tail lights in the back too. And I also got LED reverse lights. Hold on a second, let me put this in reverse actually. I'll put this in reverse, but then I'll shut it off after that. Alright. I like this buzzer better than the 80s version. And it'll drive you nuts, but oh yeah, that's right, I gotta turn on the key on so that way the light would turn on. There it is, LED reverse lights. It's coming along. Can't wait to do the body work and then really paint it. Alright, I'll post some more updates soon.